Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, we'll be talking about the latest rumors about the upcoming Mi A4 and if it will be released or not. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Sovik, welcome to Phone Politics, let's get started. In 2014, Google offered the world Android One. The idea of the program was simple, to create affordable devices based on stock Android and make them happy with quick updates. And now, 4 years after the announcement, the program is practically dead and almost no one is interested in its development. Among those who picked up the idea with the release of devices within the framework of Android One was Xiaomi. Its Xiaomi Mi A1 in 2017 enjoyed good popularity. And the idea of releasing smartphones on pure Android came to the liking of users. Moreover, there are even more supporters of the stock Android than MIUI. At one time, the company organized a survey of users in which it invited them to vote for MIUI 11 or stock Android. And as it turned out, 57% would like to see an untouchable version of the green robot on Xiaomi smartphones. The company decided to remove the result of the vote so as not to compromise its own interface. However, it listened to the aspirations of users by releasing a sequel, Xiaomi Mi A2, Xiaomi Mi A3 and Xiaomi Mi A3 Lite. 2020 was supposed to be marked by the release of Xiaomi Mi A4, but more and more predictions are being made that Xiaomi Mi A3 may never find a successor. Today, a number of media outlets circulated the news that the company is stopping the creation of devices within the Android One program. The Android One project has outlived its usefulness and a few manufacturers are interested in it. This indirectly confirms that the abandonment of the line by the fact that until today there are no rumors or leaks about Xiaomi Mi A4. According to a report by SmartDroid, Xiaomi has finally abandoned the Android One program, essentially giving up on its Mi A series. Supposedly, Xiaomi along with Motorola now finds the Android One project to be redundant. There doesn't seem to be much in the way of evidence for now. If we get anything about this phone, we'll just let you know. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.